Hello dear, welcome again on my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can open all the shortcut key of MS Word in a few clicks. For this, type from your keyboard Alt plus F8 and select from this drop down list Word command and find here list command. Click on this command and click on run and select from here current keyboard setting and click OK. So now you can see here all the shortcut key of MS Word are open here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like the video and subscribe my channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.